Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. In this video, the question is about how to negotiate the price of a house. And this question comes from Penny, and she says, do I have to negotiate the price of my home? For most of us, if we're in front of someone who absolutely won't negotiate at all, we're willing to walk away because they aren't collaborating. And it's the same way with buyers. If a potential buyer sees you as a seller who's locked in and you don't really want to help, they'll walk away. They might see you as someone who isn't willing to come to the table. So have an ideal price in mind, but also be willing to negotiate, because even during negotiations, even with that energy being opened up, it's always surprising to me how another buyer will slip in and also want to bid on your house just because the energy is open. However, while you're negotiating with one buyer, your agent may receive word of another buyer that might step up with the price you have in mind. And even if that happens, we want to remember that we can't count on it. We want to get your house sold within the first 30 days, or you'll be carrying around the weight of a house that just won't sell because we've missed the perfect window. Negotiating as offers come in can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. So that's the tip of the day. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Rami, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about mortgages, interest rates, the escrow process, home warranties, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, simply leave your question in the comments section below or contact us through our email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. We look forward to chatting with you soon.